Hello everyone, welcome my friend, to How to Draw channel, enjoy watching. Today we are drawing a truck from shapes. Drawing circles. 1 circle.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
2 circles.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
3 circles.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
And 7 small circles.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Great.
Y, and Z.
Now let's draw the squares.
My ABCs.
1 square.
Time, won't you
2 squares.
me?
3 squares. 4 squares. 5 squares.
A, B, C, D, E,
6 squares.
H, I,
7
J,
squares.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
8 squares.
X, Y,
And draw 4 triangles.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Well done. We are starting to add colors to our truck. You can do this with us or choose your own colors. Let's start. Yellow color. Little bit orange. Purple for wheels. Red color. Well done! We drew a truck with you from simple shapes. Repeat the shapes and colors. Goodbye.